Tomorrow's chillier, so it's probably tonight. It's going to get down to about 36, 34.
One last minute announcement. We have a day position for bus 52 out of Clio 930 to 12. Do we have anybody available for that?
Sorry about that. Bye-bye. Wow. House back there just went up for sale. It's sold already. Oh, really? Yep. Katie Pratt. Doing that MCIC. That was her dad. Kyle for the house. Yeah. And he hosted about a week ago that he was putting it up for sale. And it's already sold. I hear you, Mo. I hear you, Mo. 54, go ahead. Yeah, I can do that, no problem. Thank you. So Friday, you're not even working the Tell Richard he can drive Friday.